Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan and my crewmate name is Mazaha Hakimi. So today we will present to you about the technology and use of infrastructure as a service, which is IaaS in cloud computing. Okay, first, what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is the delivery of computing service including server, storage, database, and networking, software, analytic and intelligence over the internet, which is over the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resource, and economies of scale. So there are three main type of cloud service, which is we have infrastructure as a service (IaaS), platform as a service (PaaS), and software as a service (SaaS). But today in this presentation we will be only focused on the infrastructure as a service, which is IaaS. Understanding of IaaS. Okay, so basically IaaS is a cloud computing model that provide user with virtualized computing resource over internet. Instead of purchasing and maintaining physical hardware, businesses and individuals can run the infrastructure from cloud provider like Amazon Web Service (AWS), Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. IaaS consists of several key components. First, we have compute resource, which is include virtual machine, CPU, and RAM. Second, storage service, such as book storage for virtual hard drive and object storage for managing large amount of unstructured data. Third, networking component like virtual network, firewall, and load balancer, which help manage traffic and ensure security. Lastly, we have security and management tools, which is they are provide to monitor performance, control access, and maintain the compliance with industry standard. Now that we know that what IaaS is, so let's talk about its work. So the process starts with cloud provider hosting the infrastructure in their data center. User can then access this resource over the internet, scaling their computing power up or down as needed. One of the key features of IaaS is it pay-as-you-go pricing model, which is allow user to pay only for the resource they use. The flexibility is especially useful for business that experience fluctuation in demand. For example, if a company need additional server to handle increased website traffic during a sale event, they can quickly deploy more virtual machine through their cloud provider. Once the demand decreases, they can scale down to save costs. Some well-known IaaS providers include AWS EC2, Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine, and Google Cloud Compute Machine. So right now I will talk about the key benefit of IaaS and how it helps business operate more efficiently. Okay, so first we have cost saving. IaaS reduce cost by eliminating the need to buy and maintain expensive server and hardware. Instead of large upfront investment, business can pay only for what they use. For example, an online store can increase its server capacity during peak sale and scale down afterward, which is saving the money. And second, we have flexible scalability. IaaS allow businesses to scale resource up or down based on demand. If a company experiences sudden website traffic growth after a marketing campaign, it can quickly add more server to handle the load and reduce them later when traffic decreases. This flexibility prevents wasted resource and ensures smooth operation. And third, faster time to market. Setting up a traditional IT infrastructure will take weeks or months, but with IaaS, business can launch application within hours. Startup and developer can quickly create and test software without waiting for hardware setup, helping them stay ahead of competitor. And next, better performance and security. IaaS offer reliable, high-performance infrastructure with backup power, cooling system and multiple network connection to prevent downtime. Security features like multi-factor authentication (MFA) and data encryption help protect businesses from cyber threats. Company can access their infrastructure securely from everywhere. And the last one is focus on business growth. Instead of worrying about managing IT infrastructure, company can focus on innovation and business expansion. IaaS remove the burden of hardware maintenance, allowing businesses to invest time and resource into improving products and their service.
And as for the next one is about the application of IaaS. And the first one is businesses and enterprises. As we all know, the IaaS provides scalable and cost-effective infrastructure solutions and also enabling businesses to avoid any high upfront cost for physical web servers. And as for the second one is about the education and research. IaaS supports educational institutions and research organizations by offering flexible, easy for computing any resources. And the last one is about the software development. It plays a crucial role in software development by providing an on-demand resources for coding, testing, and also deployment. Every operation has its own challenge and limits. And as for the most crucial one is about the security concerns. First of all, it's about the unauthorized access. Multi-tenancies in cloud environments increase the risk of data breaches if proper access control are not enforced. And it also caused by the misconfigurations when it's there incorrect security settings in virtual machines, firewalls, or storage that can expose data to a threats. And the second main point is about the data privacy risk. The first one is about the data sovereign issues. Data stored in cloud servers located in different countries may be subjected to foreign government that will access or illegally for their requirements. And for the second one is about the data loss or leakage. It may be due to the accidental deletions, improper access control, or cyber attacks that can lead to loss all the data that we have been processed, and and also the confidential of data. And as for the future trends, which is also known as the upcoming solution, is including the edge of the computing integration, which reduce the latency by processing data closer to the user, which is beneficial to the real-time applications like IoT and autonomous system. Additionally, AI-driven automation optimizes resource allocation, while hybrid and multi-cloud adoption enhances flexibility by combining on-premise and cloud infrastructures for improved scalability, cost efficiency, and disaster recovery. These are the references that we have been searched for this kind of information that we used on this slide presentation, which is Google Cloud, TechTarget, Amazon, IBM, and Atlassian. To summarize it all, IaaS offers scalable, flexible, and cost-efficient infrastructure solution, making it more essential for hosting, computing, and storage across industries. With the advancement we have, its capabilities will continue to expand, and businesses are encouraged to explore for enhancing efficiency and also the growth. This is all from us. Thank you very much for lending an ear for us to present this information about the IaaS, and also we wish you to have a good day. Assalamualaikum.